FAMEX, Universidad Politécnica de Tlacomulco. Dual education is a professional training through which college students unify the knowledge acquired in educational spaces within work environments, which allows them to strengthen and develop their skills. On September 1st, 2022, Center for Space Development and Innovation in Universidad Politécnica de Tlacomulco started the Dual Educational Learning Agreement, which allows students interested in this educational model to attend Credes, Center for Space Development and Innovation in the state of Mexico for their profession. The Agencia Espacial Mexicana is a decentralized public agency of the federal government whose mission is to use space science and technology to care for the needs of the Mexican population, promoting innovation and development of the space sector. For this reason, the Agencia Espacial Mexicana, through the Center for Space Development and Innovation, has committed to supporting regional universities with actions such as signing agreement, technical advice, and support in social service, internships, among others. On the other hand, the Universidad Politécnica de Tlacomulco has the mission to train professionals with integrity, autonomy, and ethical values capable of excelling in the professional field through the generation, application, and dissemination of knowledge and culture through research and quality teaching. One of the degrees offered by Universidad Politécnica de Tlacomulco is robotics engineering. A robotics engineer is able to automate, improve, supervise, and maintain production systems, as well as to conduct the design, development, and evaluation of innovative projects of technological services through disciplines such as mechanical design, programming, electronics, control systems, mathematics, physics, and more. As part of the Robotics Engineering Academy from Universidad Politécnica de Tlacomulco, students Jaime and Miguel started the dual educational program in September 2022, working on the following projects so far. Robot. The first project developed was writing an operational manual for the use of the Japan Unix 3000 series soldering robot. Soldering is a process in which the union or fusion of two materials generates a strong joint used for different fields such as printed circuit board assembly. A Japan Unix soldering robot is a mechanical manipulator designed to perform this work autonomously. To start this project, several sketches for the robot were made, and after that, a 3D model using SolidWorks was designed. Some of the peripherals that make up this robot are nitrogen generator, teaching pendant, air cleaner, tool soldering, feeder, switch box, and temperature controller. In addition to this, some systems for fast PCB clamping were designed. Once the design phase was completed, this model was used to write the operational manual. GTS. The second project consisted of programming two PCBs to make a pair of ground sensor terminals, which are small monitoring stations that establish communication with a satellite to exchange data. Usually, these data are referred to environmental variables of a critical area to which there is no access. The GST consists of a real-time clock to control each of the recorded events, a flash memory for information storage, a low-array module for sending and receiving information remotely, as well as ports for communication with other peripheral devices through protocols such as A2C, SPI, and UART. For the development of the GST, the connection and programming of the various peripherals that make up the GST was carried out in order to subsequently test the reading, storage, and sending of data from one station to another. Also, a pair of helical antennas were made to increase the data transmission range. During the development of the activities related to the GST, the following equipment was required